What's up guys? Welcome back. In this video, you will discover how to enable dark mode in Facebook official app. Yes, you can enable dark mode in your Facebook official app. For this, you need to go to the Play Store and download the Facebook Lite app. I have already installed this on my phone. If you do not have Facebook Lite, then go to the Play Store and download it. After that, open the Facebook Lite app and sign in with your account. After opening the Facebook Lite app, tap the menu button from the up right corner. Then go to the settings. Under the setting option, you can see dark mode. Enable the dark mode. You can see your Facebook official app is now running in dark mode. This is very simple. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. Hope this video was useful to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you could get this kind of video regularly. Thanks for being with the Tutorial Lab.